Super raining. Today is July 3, 2021. Look at the rain. Nice rain, babies. I'm videoing the rain.
It's pouring rain out there.
Yeah,
the grass
it's
is
pouring
starting
rain.
to grow.
Yes, the grass is gonna be growing again. We emptied the swimming pool. So we know it's gonna be raining. It's raining, it's pouring. Rain gently falls. Whenever we say good night, I mean goodbye. Falling like rain. You're out of sight. Rain follows me. Wait, baby, I'm videoing, baby. Even on my bed,
It's raining.
and rain is the tears that I shed.
It's raining.
There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. It stays like winter time. But I can never say I care. I know it won't be smart. Somebody else your heart. It can never be mine. It's raining, it's pouring. Right, big brother? The rain, baby. The rain. Careful, my hand is gonna be shaking. Yeah, we emptied the pool. I'm videoing from the glass door. That's why it's a little fogging. For Krista, we used to be that we're using it as our ornament there. We're gonna be putting some stuff there. And our logs there. For when we will be having campfires. And we will be grilling. I sometimes use it to save money instead of buying charcoal. And there's our shed there. I'm gonna make this 5 minutes. And I'm gonna end this to have additional videos, so I can have video every day for YouTube, right baby? No, you're not gonna go outside there.
Can I go downstairs
You can go, yeah, go ahead. You can go downstairs and exercise.
instead?
Sure, you wanna go exercise?
Can I go exercise instead?
Sure, you wanna be in the exercise room?
Yeah.
Sure, you wanna be playing bowling or pool or the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle game? Which one you wanna play?
Ninja Turtle game.
Go ahead, baby. You can play the Teenage Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle game.
Ninja Turtle.
I just love watching the raindrops.
Kids. It's full of adventure. Surprises and thrills. Oh, Dale. We're for 5 all day, every day on Little TV Kids. Go!
Okay, guys, until then, just making some videos, a few videos, so I can have something to upload every day. I'll make this 10 minutes. Rain gently falls whenever we say goodnight, falling like rain, you're out of sight. Rain follows me, even on my bed, and rain is the tears that I shed. There'll be no sunshine in my life until you say you're mine, oh mine. There'll be no summer, spring or fall. It stays like winter time. But I can never say I care. I know it won't be as hard. Somebody else your heart. It can never be mine. Our shed. And this is the back fence already. We replaced that fence that was green before, but when there's a windstorm, it collapsed our old fence, our green fence, so we replaced it with a white fence. It's more private, especially is in the back part, in the backyard. Almost 10 minutes. I'm gonna make this 10 minutes. One more minute. Yeah, we emptied the pool because we saw the weather forecast that it's gonna be raining. Probably gonna have that again tomorrow. We'll see. Tomorrow is the 4th. It's the 4th of July here. Is the Independence Day. We will be doing stuff tomorrow. I'm videoing from the glass door, so there's a little condensation here. I mean, it's fogging. See the lightning? There you go. I made it. I made it to 10 minutes. Okay, guys. Until then, you heard that thunder? Look at that. Hear that? Until then, this is Anafe de la Rana, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and view my videos. Don't skip the ads and subscribe to my channel, Anafe de la Rana. Thank you so much. Until then, mwah.